Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. Today's episode is about my go-to restaurant. We will learn how to talk about a favorite restaurant. We will use simple words. We will use short sentences. We will listen. We will repeat. We will practice together. I will start with some simple words. Then I will give a sample introduction. Then I will give a longer example. Then I will give questions and answers. You can repeat after me. You can pause the video and practice. You can speak out loud. Simple words first. Restaurant. Food. Menu. Table. Waiter. Server. Order. Bill. Price. Cheap. Expensive. Delicious. Tasty. Favorite. Recommend. Try. Visit. Go to. Near. Far. Busy. Open. Closed. Lunch. Dinner. Breakfast. Reservation. Take out. Dine in. Service. Friendly. Clean. Now a short list of useful phrases. I like this restaurant. My favorite dish is the pasta. I go there often. I go there once a week. I go there on special days. I go there with friends. I go there with family. I like the food. The food is fresh. The food is tasty. The service is good. The prices are fair. The place is clean. The atmosphere is nice. The music is soft. The staff are friendly. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live near the city. I work in a school. I like to eat good food. I have a go-to restaurant. I want to tell you about it. I will tell you why I like it. I will tell you what I order. I will tell you when I go. Please repeat after me. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I like to eat good food. I have a go-to restaurant. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Pause now if you need time. Practice the sentences. Say them slowly. Say them again. Now I will give a longer monologue conversation. Imagine you meet a new friend. You want to talk about your go-to restaurant. I will speak as both people. I will speak clearly. You can repeat after each sentence. You can pause and practice. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Ben. What is your name? Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from the United States. I live in a small town. I like to try different foods. Do you like to eat out? Yes, I do. Where do you like to go? I have a favorite place. It is my go-to restaurant. I go there a lot. Why do you like that restaurant? The food is fresh and tasty. The portions are big. The price is fair. The staff are friendly. The place is clean and cozy. The music is nice and quiet. I can talk with friends there. The food comes fast. The chef knows how to cook well. I feel happy when I go there. What do you order? I always order the grilled chicken. The chicken is juicy. It has good flavor. I also like the vegetable salad. The salad is simple and fresh. I sometimes order soup. The soup is warm and comforting. For dessert, I like the chocolate cake. The cake is rich and not too sweet. Do you go there often? Yes, I go there once a week. I go there on Friday night. I meet friends there on Saturday. I sometimes go there with my family on Sunday. I also go there when I have a busy day. The restaurant is open late. That helps me after work. How do you invite a friend? I say come with me. I say let us try my go-to restaurant. I say the food is great. I say the price is fair. I say the place is cozy. My friend says yes. We make a plan. We set the time. We set the day. We meet at the door. We find a table. We enjoy the meal. Please repeat after me. I always order the grilled chicken. The chicken is juicy. I go there once a week. The staff are friendly. The place is cozy. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Pause now and practice. Take your time. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Now I will give more short lines. Use these lines to talk about your favorite restaurant. Try to say them out loud. This is my favorite restaurant. I go there often. I like the food there. The atmosphere is great. The staff are friendly. I recommend the pasta. Try the soup. The dessert is delicious. The prices are fair. You should try it. The address is easy to find. It is near the park. There is parking close by. The restaurant is family friendly. It is good for a date night. Now some simple questions that you may hear. Practice your answers. What is your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is Bella Kitchen. Why do you like it? I like it because the food is fresh. What do you order there? I order the grilled chicken and salad. How often do you go? I go there twice a month. Do you go there with friends? Yes, I go with friends. Is the restaurant expensive? No, it is not expensive. It is affordable. Repeat after me. What is your favorite restaurant? Why do you like it? What do you order there? How often do you go? You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Pause and answer the questions out loud. Practice now. Now some useful words when you order food. I will say the word and then a short sentence. Menu. May I have the menu, please? Water. I would like a glass of water. Appetizer. We will share an appetizer. Main course. The main course is ready. Side dish. I want a side dish of fries. Dessert. We will have dessert later. Bill. Can we have the bill, please? Tip. The service was good, so I left a tip. Reservation. I made a reservation for 7 o'clock. Table for 2. We need a table for 2. Repeat after me. May I have the menu, please? Can we have the bill, please? I made a reservation for 7 o'clock. Table for 2, please. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Pause now if you need. Now I will give some short role-play lines. You can read both parts. Speak slowly. Use a friendly voice. Read the lines out loud. Host. Welcome to Bella Kitchen. Do you have a reservation? Guest. Yes, I have a reservation. It is under Ben. Host. Right this way. Guest. Thank you. Server. Hello, my name is Sarah. I will be your server. Guest. Thank you. Can we have the menu? Server. Of course. Here is the menu. Guest. I would like the grilled chicken. Server. Would you like a drink? Guest. Yes, I will have water. Server. Anything else? Guest. The salad, please. Server. Great. I will bring it soon. Repeat after me. Welcome to Bella Kitchen. Do you have a reservation? I would like the grilled chicken. I will have water. The salad, please. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Practice both parts. Try to change the name. Make it your name. Make the restaurant name your favorite place. Now I will share reasons to like a restaurant. These phrases help you explain why you like a place. Good taste. Fresh ingredients. Nice portion size. Friendly staff. Quick service. Clean place. Quiet music. Good location. Affordable price. Good value. Great atmosphere. Family friendly. Great for kids. Cozy for dates. Open late. Good parking. Healthy options. Vegetarian choices. Kid menu. Good coffee. Nice dessert. Repeat after me. The food has good taste. The ingredients are fresh. The staff are friendly. The service is quick. The place is clean. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Pause and practice. Now I will show how to describe a dish. Use simple words. Use taste words. Use texture words. Use size words. Grilled chicken. Juicy. Tender. Well seasoned. Slightly spicy. Served with rice. Fresh vegetables. Green salad. Crisp lettuce. Creamy dressing. Warm bread. Soft bread. Crunchy fries. Smooth soup. Rich sauce. Sweet dessert. Light dessert. Repeat after me. The grilled chicken is juicy and tender. The salad is fresh and crisp. The soup is warm and comforting. The chocolate cake is rich and sweet. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Practice each sentence twice. Now I will give some polite ways to invite a friend. Would you like to go out for dinner? Do you want to try a new restaurant? Would you like to try my favorite place? Let us go to Bella Kitchen. Do you want to join me on Friday? I will make a reservation. I will pick you up. We can meet there. Repeat after me. Would you like to go out for dinner? Do you want to try my favorite place? Let us go on Friday. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Practice your invitation. Now I will give short tips for a better conversation. Listen well. Speak clearly. Use simple sentences. Use polite words. Smile while you speak. Make eye contact. Use a friendly tone. Ask questions. Share a detail. Tell a reason. Use short phrases. Repeat important words. Repeat after me. Listen well. Speak clearly. Use simple sentences. Ask a question. Share a detail. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Practice these tips with a friend. Now I will give more practice with different answers. Use your own details. Try to change names. Try to change dishes. Try to change times. My favorite restaurant is Sunny Diner. I go there for breakfast. I love the pancakes. The pancakes are fluffy. I like the syrup. I sometimes order eggs and bacon. I meet friends on Sunday morning. We chat and eat. The service is quick. The price is fair. My favorite restaurant is Sea Breeze. I go there for dinner. I love the salmon. The salmon is grilled. It comes with vegetables. The view is nice by the water. The service is friendly. The music is soft. The night is calm. My favorite restaurant is Green Garden. I go there when I want healthy food. I order a grain bowl. The bowl has rice and vegetables. It has a light dressing. It has avocado. It is fresh and filling. Repeat after me. My favorite restaurant is Sunny Diner. I go there for breakfast. I love the pancakes. I go to Sea Breeze for dinner. I love the grilled salmon. I go to Green Garden for healthy food. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Take time to make your own version. Speak from your heart. Now some final practice. I will say a full short story. Listen and then repeat. I have a go-to restaurant. The name is Bella Kitchen. I go there often. I go there on Friday nights. I like the grilled chicken. The salad is fresh. The server is friendly. The place is clean and cozy. I feel happy when I eat there. I recommend this restaurant to my friends. We always have a good time. The price is fair. The dessert is delicious. I will go there again next week. Repeat after me. I have a go-to restaurant. The name is Bella Kitchen. I go there on Friday nights. I like the grilled chicken. The dessert is delicious. I will go there again next week. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Practice this story until it is easy. Now a short listening practice. I will say a sentence. Then I will say it again slowly. Try to say the sentence with me. The food is delicious. The food is delicious. The service is friendly. The service is friendly. The place is cozy. The place is cozy. I go there with friends. I go there with friends. Repeat after me. The food is delicious. The service is friendly. The place is cozy. I go there with friends. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Use a calm voice. Now a quick review of the main phrases. Favorite restaurant. Go to restaurant. I like the food. I recommend the dish. I go once a week. I go with friends. The service is good. The food is fresh. Repeat after me. Favorite restaurant. I like the food. I recommend the dish. I go once a week. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Practice these phrases many times. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep speaking. Keep practicing. Use these phrases with friends. Visit your go-to restaurant. Talk about the food. Tell the story. Ask questions. Share details. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.